about this morning. The only reason I'm asking is because I called him last night to update him, and he didn't pick up the phone.
Shit.
He didn't answer this morning either.
Ah, you two got married and didn't tell me.
No. I know this may sound a bit strange coming from me, but...
Yeah, more than a bit, Sue.
He's my partner, and I'm concerned.
Okay, so?
So you sent him back for other reasons than to question Lieutenant Shaheen's commanding officer.
Did I miss the announcement?
No, I was not made director of NCIS.
I was thinking more like Secretary of the Navy, because the director of NCIS would know damn well not to ask me such a stupid question.
Look, Tony's been very secretive lately, and for a man who can't keep what he had for breakfast a secret, I think it's scary.
What's scary is your persistence.
Sorry.
Ew.
So the only reason you sent him back was what you said.